saya tu Azira. I would like to ask, do you want a better reach for your Facebook post? Okay, using the right posting tactics will give you a better result from your Facebook posting and also for your marketing. So today I will share to you guys some tips on how to improve your Facebook post. Well, you need to sign up or log into your Facebook account first. Constantly, people spend a lot of time creating content to share on Facebook, whether it is related to the industry, entertainment, sports, business, news, and etc. Thus, I will share the tips on how to get a better reach for your Facebook post that guarantees all content gets seen by the right people. Okay, first, you need to create a content planner for your Facebook posting. Consider creating a roadmap for your post covering various topics. After you choose the topic you will cover, create a calendar. A content calendar maps out what to do or what to post each day. Having a schedule also helps you building in enough time to create your social media image. If you are not sure how far out to schedule your post, creating a content calendar for 1 week in advance is a good rule of thumb. This gives you the flexibility to keep up with timeline topics. Second, analyze your written and visual content and then optimize. On Facebook, there are 4 types of content you can post: link, image, video, and text updates. According to a social baker study, video is the most important engagement driver, followed by text update, link, and photos. Third, consider to use a brand hashtag. Do you use hashtag while posting on Facebook? A recent Buffer study revealed that posts without hashtag outperform posts with hashtag on Facebook. Plus, you should know that hashtag also may be effective if you are posting about a trending topic. Next, customize your Facebook post descriptions. Remember that Facebook posts are now searchable, so this is an excellent opportunity to add your keywords too. Lastly, discover your ideal time to post. According to this HubSpot article, the best day to post on Facebook are Thursday and Friday, and the worst day to post are Monday through Wednesday. Some Facebook managers don't dig into analytics to discover the ideal days or times to post. They simply post when the content is ready. To maximize your engagement, it is important to check your analytics. Let us recap. First, create a content planner for your Facebook post. Second, analyze your written and visual content. Third, use a branding hashtag. Fourth, customize your Facebook description. Lastly, discover your ideal time to post. That's all from me. Thank you everyone.